Good morning, Way Fam, from Colorado Springs, Colorado.
I'm Ashley, this is my husband Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. All right, today we have come to Garden of the Gods Cafe. It's not the same as the Garden of the Gods Resort that we're staying at. That confused us this morning.
Same company though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. So it's like we had to just drive down the street a little bit, and it is bright out, so I've been borrowing Ashley's shades. You can have those
His
back.
eyes are a little bit sensitive to the sunshine still.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
We got some cool stuff planned today, but first, let's get some breakfast and then we'll hit the road.
Hungry. Got the Southwest Eggs Benedict. Usually when we go out to breakfast, Eggs Benedict is my go-to and it looks amazing. But Josh's I think is a little more special. It looks like the Garden of the Gods and avocado toast.
All right, we are headed off to the Royal Bridge Gorge and Park, and we have a Carl. Hi. We have arrived at Royal Gorge Bridge and Park. I feel like these places are all tongue twisters. We're gonna go to some more tongue twisters later. But I realized we didn't actually introduce Carl. We just said there is a Carl here. So you met Carl online.
Carl's my online friend, but he's been watching our channel since the very beginning when we left LA.
So Ashley has been shooting people with Carl for many years now.
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah.
And he came to visit us in California, so now we came to visit him, which he is a local in Colorado Springs.
Returning the favor.
Yeah. All right, we're checking out the bridge, and as you can see, it is way too cloudy to do anything. That gorge is beautiful, even on a cloudy day like this. In fact, it almost looks cooler, I would reckon, because it's got these clouds rolling over it, all mysterious-like.
One of the most exciting things is that we're doing a train after this, and we're going to be below the bridge. So right now we're up above, and we're seeing the gorge and how deep it is, but we're going to be down there so soon. It's so cool.
But it is freezing, so I think we're going to go inside for a little bit.
1,260 feet long, 18 feet wide, and can hold more than 2 million pounds. The deck of the bridge hangs 956 feet over the Arkansas River with 1,000 tons of steel in the floor of the bridge. 2,100 strands of number 9 galvanized wire make up each cable. The towers are 150 feet high, holding 2 cables weighing 300 tons.
Man, it is thick as pea soup right now.
Oh my gosh, it's so, like, you could feel just the moisture in the air, from the clouds.
We're trying to get a view, but look at this. That's like 1,000 some odd feet down.
Oh my gosh. In 2013, there was a huge fire. It pretty much wiped out a lot of the things that they have around here.
Everything.
Yeah, all the trees and everything. But the community came together. In 7 months, they rebuilt the whole welcome center. But then they have all these other fun activities that they've rebuilt over the years. The community even came out to plant new trees and to help with the environment in the area, which I thought was really cool. I love seeing, like, when there is devastating things, people coming together and working together. I like that. It warmed my heart and just made me like this place even more.
Oh man, that was super, super cool.
Okay, I do want to say that I didn't have very high expectations when coming here because I didn't know what to expect. But I am thoroughly impressed.
Seriously.
And I didn't even get to do a lot of the,
No, I want to come back and do all that stuff now.
Yeah. That was really cool.
It's so, I love the idea that there's just this beautiful nature and we're going to create something around it so you can come and enjoy it in just a really accessible way. Like it's wheelchair accessible, it's family friendly, all that stuff.
Yeah.
So definitely check out the link in the description. We'll have that for everything that we're doing today. So if you like anything we're doing today, check it out in the description.
Like she was saying, it's a great place to stay in Colorado Springs or come here and then come visit.
Turn right onto US 50 East.
we're in crazy mist. Like, the window is freezing. The mist is freezing on the window. We heard that the train we're riding on has a glass dome. Like, the top of the dome is glass, which would be so cool, full of snowflakes for dancing in the wind while we're on the train. So I'm really looking forward to it.
We have arrived to the Royal Gorge Route Railway. That's a tongue twister. And it is going to be so cool. I'm looking at the train right now. It's this old style looking train. It's kind of orange and silver. We're gonna be riding on that. And I heard that the dining car has a glass ceiling.
All aboard!
Okay.
Is that good? Was that acceptable?
Yeah, that was really good. You ready, Carl?
Oh gosh.
Carl's never been on a train before. Like,
What?
ever.
Oh, for
Like,
real?
rode a train, yeah.
Never?
I didn't realize I had toilets on trains either.
Yeah, man. This is first class. This is fancy.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh, you're supposed to have
709?
1, 3, and 4.
707?
707.
707. Okay. If you'll follow me, I'll be happy to take you there.
In 1878 and 79, a small war ensued between two railways trying to gain control of this. There was a treaty signed, and one of them took control of the area, and this railway line was opened in 1879. In 1905, President Theodore Roosevelt took a trip on this and described the trip through the Royal Gorge as a trip that bankrupts the English language. In short, he was at a loss for words. So far, this is gorgeous, and I can't wait to enjoy the scenery, what we can see through the fog, and this meal. Alright, you can't see it, but right above us is the Royal Gorge Suspension Bridge. The same one where we couldn't see down. Today is beautiful with the fogginess. I do wish it was a little clearer, but at the same time, I'm loving the fog because it just adds this totally different element
It's
to
so
it.
unique.
Yeah.
I am a sucker for salmon, and this is really good.
Rather cold?
Oh, it's so cold out here. It is so beautiful. I feel like I'm in Lord of the Rings. It just feels like Lord of the Rings here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Literally, this cake that we had is my new favorite dessert ever. But it was so fun. I have 2 days this past year that are my favorite days hands down, and this is one of them for sure. I love trains. You guys know that if you watch these videos often, but this was just such a cool thing to do. And in Colorado, who knew?
We had an amazing time here in Canyon City and the Royal Gorge area especially. This was awesome. Everything we did today was really cool. I can actually recommend everything we did. Check all the links in the description. We had a fun time, and it's so cool to have a friend with us along the way. Carl was awesome, as always.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you guys.
Let us know in the link below what you would rather do. Would you rather be on the train, or would you rather go across that bridge? Or if you would never step foot on the bridge, let us know in the comments
We heard
below.
that too. All right, so I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. Come out to Colorado Springs and then come
For
out here
sure.
and visit this area,
Yeah.
an amazing part of the world. Way fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.